Okay guys, thanks for tuning in to this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft LR version 2.0 kit. This is the next step up from the version 1.0 kit. The reason this is the next step up is because it has more features, more functions and more system coverage in the version 2.0 than it does in the 1.0. But that's for another video. In this video we're just going to show you the 2.0 quick demonstration and obviously checking diagnosing and resetting the check engine light and restricted performance message. So this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So from the main menu, the tool is plugged in via this cable to the diagnostic port, which is underneath the steering wheel here, and we're going to select from the main screen Diagnostics. So from this menu we're really just going to go through and select our specific vehicle. So we're in a Discovery and it's a 2010 model and it's the diesel V6 3 litre. So we'll click onto manual and we're going to select the engine module. As you can see, it gives you a long list, 39 in particular in this particular vehicle, but obviously we're just interested in the engine right now, so we're going to click onto that. We're going to click onto read fault code, and it's giving us the fault code P0102, mass or volume airflow current low circuit, and it's one fault code. It's one of one. So we had a faulty MAF in this vehicle. We've replaced the MAF, put a new MAF in. All of the check engine light, the warning messages were still on screen, so this is why you need this tool really. So we'll click onto back, we'll click onto clear fault memory, click OK. That gives us a final warning message. Are you sure you wish to clear these faults? So I'm going to click OK to this, and when I do that, just keep an eye on the three warnings there, so the check engine, the triangle and the restricted performance message. So we'll click enter to that. Operation done, and then all of the warning lights have disappeared from the dashboard area there. So it's a great tool, covers a lot of systems, a lot of vehicles, and obviously you can go into the service menu. It tells you a lot of different sort of special functions which it will cover. But if you do have a question about this tool, then please do contact us, because although it works on most vehicles for most of the features, it doesn't work on every single vehicle for every single feature. So by all means send us an email, contact us via www.diagnostic-world.com, or by all means send us an email via the website. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.